Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore or re-add a payment card in Google Wallet. If you've removed your card before or just want to add it again, this video is for you and it's super easy, so let's get right into it. Now first things first, once you have a Google account on your phone and a Play Store account, you don't need to sign up or log in again after downloading the Google Wallet app. It will automatically connect with your Google account. But if the Gmail you want to use isn't the one that's automatically selected, just tap on your profile icon, then tap Switch Account and choose the correct one. Alright, now let's go back to how to restore or re-add your payment card. Once you're back on the main dashboard, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the plus sign. Under the Add to Wallet section, select Payment Card. Next, tap on Add Payment Card. If you've used some cards before, like the ones you added to Play Store or use for online purchases, Google Wallet may automatically show them here. You can simply continue with that saved card. But if you want to add a new one, tap on New Credit or Debit Card. Here's a fun fact. You can take a picture of your card with your phone, camera, or just enter your card details manually, like card number, expiry date, and CVC. After entering everything, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your card. Once it's verified, your payment card will appear on your wallet dashboard, ready to use for contactless payments, online purchases, and supported apps. And that's it. Super easy, right? Now you know exactly how to restore or re-add your payment card in Google Wallet without any stress. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.